Jumping into the Airbnb market? You'll need to do your homework. It's Friday, July 14th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. A portion of homes sold over the past 3 years were purchased by buyers hoping to turn revenue from Airbnb. While markets like Annapolis, Baltimore, and Ocean City thrive on short-term rentals for tourism and vacations, many industry experts are seeing a downturn in occupancy rates as a result of the glut of Airbnb homes available following the post-pandemic travel burst. Combined with new county restrictions and insurance liability requirements, an owner has to weigh all factors against potential vacancy rates for profitability and carrying cost. It's not out of the question, however, that purchasing a home for use as an Airbnb could be a good investment on the Eastern Shore, given the rest and relaxation options combined with boating, abundant wildlife, and lack of light pollution for stargazing at night. Know your local ordinances for Airbnb and short-term rentals. The shortage of long-term rentals on the shore does provide an alternative should your Airbnb revenue stream dry up. You'll still have options. You can choose from 1,154 homes for sale on the shore, which is a slight rise over last week. 96 homes are poised to hit the market soon. Not a lot, but a few more this week than last. 196 homes came to the market over the past week, reflecting a rise. 70 went under contract and 97 went to pending. 102 properties sold in 10 days, dropping to 99.4% list to sold ratio. The highest price home sold in the past week was a waterfront in East End for $2,100,000. There are 60 homes for lease holding steady at a median $1,995 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, July 14th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.